Hey y'all, Joe here, Southern Coast Cooking coming at you. Man, a little chills in the air tonight. We're getting our first part of a little bit of winter-like weather here down south. But the reason I'm doing this video, I want to come at y'all, as I told you the other night in my state video, we are making a trip up to the Smoky Mountains to Gatlinburg for Thanksgiving Day week. And we're going to be visiting some restaurants up there that I'm really excited about. I've been doing research for months and trying to figure out where we're going to eat, where we're going to review, and all that sort of thing. I've made a list of several restaurants. I'm going to actually put this in their email or send them a Facebook Messenger. Hopefully they recognize and come say, hey, when we're passing through, we're going to do some reviews like I do, on the videos and all. If y'all have some other places you suggest, please let me know. Again, we'll be in the Gatlinburg area. May travel over to Pigeon Forge. I know we're going to go Cove one day. Real excited about that, y'all. Know how we do this eating out and stuff when we go on vacation and do the reviews and put them all over social media. And we really are excited about it. I tell you what. Also, there's some Moonshine Tours up there. I've heard about. We're going with some family members that go up there a lot, and they were telling us about some of these distilleries and stuff. Some of them have tasting rooms and things like that. So we're really looking forward to that. But I tell y'all what, I'm really excited about spending some time up there in the Great Smoky Mountains. It's been a while since we've been up that way. We got out there where my brother lives out in Colorado about a year ago. But now we're going to hit the Smokies up. And really, I want to bring y'all along with us so far on video and keep posting some video of what we find out up there, doing some good food reviews and stuff like that. Thank y'all so much. Y'all be safe. Have a wonderful Thanksgiving. God bless y'all. And I'm going to do my best to keep the videos coming as we go. We have a wonderful time. Thank y'all.